Getting ready to change the back wheel on my 23 Road Glide. I'm not a huge tool collector. My toolbox is pretty simple. Just from years of field work, doing stuff out in the field. I've done a lot of stuff on the side of the road with a screwdriver and a freaking crescent wrench. So I like to challenge myself a lot of times when you're working on stuff just to see how few tools you can get away with to get some of this done. So here's a janky getaway of getting your axle nut off. My back tire got about 19,000 miles on it, and this is the original Harley tire. Was getting down to the cords, but it looks like I dodged a bullet right here. Something buried in there. I never lost any air pressure. Here's the kind of comfort. So these rubbers are going to absorb some of the shock from your pulley on your drive pulley. That's the shit. I went with this Shinko 180/55/18. Looks like a pretty good tire. Got the grooves down the middle. So once you get your tire changed, wheel back on, axle back in, there's a little stopper in here, both sides. And as you turn your axle, it'll ride farther up on this groove, and that'll get you the right tension on your drive belt.